Two departments, which are likely the most familiar to anyone, are the teller department and customer service department. In the teller department, they process account transactions, like a deposit or a withdrawal. They also issue money orders and cashier's checks. Tellers also handle customer inquiries, answering questions about one's account. The tellers are the department which sees our customers the most. Then there's the customer service department. They open accounts like a checking or a savings account. They set up IRAs and house savings accounts, as well as certificates of deposit, also called a CD. They do account maintenance and they answer questions about one's account too. In the customer service department, they also assist with debit card questions or problems. They also troubleshoot and help customers get set up with digital products. The digital products would be online banking, mobile banking, digital payments, bill pay, person-to-person transfers.
The lending department is the biggest revenue producer for the bank. Most financial institutions have their loan departments divided up into installment, real estate, commercial, and agricultural loans. Installment loans are used to finance cars, recreational vehicles, boats, personal loans, also called unsecured loans. This department also handles credit card loans and home equity lines of credit. Real estate loans are home loans for your primary or secondary residence as well as rental properties. Commercial loans are business loans. For example, if you're acquiring a business, setting up or constructing new property for a business, or really anything that has to do with the business, you would do through our commercial loan department. Agricultural loans are loans for farming operations, land, and equipment. It is always important to keep in mind that having excellent credit helps you get a better loan.
The trust department handles investments for our customers, employee retirement plans like 401ks and IRAs, trust accounts, estates, and conservatorships. Every day is different as far as customer contact and account administration.
One of the most important behind-the-scenes departments in banking is the item processing department, also known as a bookkeeping department. They do work with customers and they answer questions and give them account balances, but they also handle wire transfers and ACH and daily posting of teller work, overdraft processing, and they send out electronic and paper statements. The top department in banking would be the executive management team. This team consists of executives who oversee the customer-facing employees. They also oversee the operations, and they oversee the lending portion of the banking experience. Every business and every industry has a human resources department, also known as HR. This is a department of a bank or financial institution which focuses on activities which relate to employees. This can include both recruiting and hiring new employees, the orientation and training of those already employed by the company, administering employee benefit programs, payroll, insurance, and retention of key personnel within the company.
The accounting department does not have customer contact. However, they do have contact with all the other departments of the financial institution in order to balance internal accounts as well as the bank's overall budget. This department handles accounts payable, accounts receivable, and the bank's investments. They also ensure the bank is within FDIC guidelines.
Another department that is found across all industries is a marketing department. These professionals focus on generating ideas and content for sales and advertising, external websites, and printed signage for events. They also manage social media pages and look for ways to continue to engage our target audience and bring people into our doors.
Thinking machines and supercomputers, IT manages and protects it all. Computers, phone systems, and software to cybersecurity. IT maintains, protects, and watches over all of the bank's computer systems. Compliance plays a big role in every bank. They make sure that the bank is following state and federal regulations, what we can and can't do, and they also monitor account activity for money laundering and terrorist activity. The audit team at a bank will make sure that each bank is following procedures accurately. They also coordinate and assist with internal audits and bank exams.